Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agu, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. Have you been wondering how you can create an intro video for a YouTube channel? Maybe for a while you've been looking for or sourcing for the perfect tool or platform whereby you can use to create an intro video right from scratch. You're lucky bumping upon this video because that's what I'll be introducing you to in this video. For instance, let's see this very intro video.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So you can see how the video actually appears. So that's what I'll be showing you. Not, I will not only introduce you to the platform which I used to create this very intro video you just saw. This is actually the intro video of my YouTube channel. I will introduce you to the platform and I will walk you through on how to create a perfect intro video from scratch on this very platform. So I'll advise you to sit back, relax, and watch this video from beginning to the end so that you get all the tidbits and the necessary steps you need to follow. So I'll be right back.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
Yes, welcome back from the short break. So like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo Agua is my name and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. So what we actually do here is a technology related channel. So what we do actually is that we dish out tutorials, how-tos related from the technology world. And we cover topics from mobile PCs to mobile apps to PCs. Also talk about how to make money, affiliate marketing, reviews, devices reviews, cryptocurrencies, and all the like. So I actually teach you how to do certain things which you might find difficult in doing. So if you want to be part of this channel, if you want to be part of this family, I will indulge you to kindly hit the subscribe button, which is that red rectangular button below this video that you're watching that has the inscription subscribe. And also you can easily turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release an important video just like this. So having done that, let us go straight down to business, which is teaching you on how to do a perfect intro video for your YouTube channel. So like I said from the beginning, I'll be introducing you to a tool or a platform, and the platform which I actually use in creating such wonderful videos just like the one you saw from the beginning, my intro video, or the one you just saw a few minutes back. I use InVideo. You must have heard about InVideo before. It's actually a nice platform whereby you can do or create anything video related. And if you should check on my featured video in this very YouTube channel as you're watching, I actually use InVideo in creating that. So InVideo is a nice platform which you can use to create lots and lots of videos. So we're talking about intro videos, introductory videos for YouTube channel. So that's what we'll be looking at, and that's where we shall be headed. So InVideo, just like I said, NIVIDEO .io. That's the name of the website. I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video so you can easily go to this site or this platform in case you've not known it before. But in case you know it, you can actually do this, which I'm about to teach you. So without wasting much of your time, if you're on the InVideo.io page, you can easily scroll down, you actually get to where, oh, I was fast enough, where it talked about intros and logos. So all these you see here are pre-designed templates which you can use to create a perfect intro video for your YouTube channel. So we want to view all actually, so you can see this tab, you can actually click on view all. So it will take us to a page that had lots and lots of pre-designed templates of intro videos. So as you can see, these are all templates that you can use for your intro video for your YouTube channel. It all depends on the niche. For instance, this is a video I used in the intro video I used in creating mine, the introductory video that I just watched a few minutes ago. So I actually use this pre-designed template to create it. So now, without wasting much, it depends on the niche that you are having. So if your technology related niche, you see the pre-designed template that suits your needs, so you can easily scroll through from top to bottom to actually see what you're looking for. You can see this is actually a technology related video for those that are having a YouTube channel that are related to technology, just like myself. I want to do something different. I can see this one actually got flame. It depends on the niche. I want to do something. This one is about niche related to graphic designing. It depends on what you actually want, so you can easily scroll through, like I said, from the top to the bottom of the pre-designed template and see what suits your needs. So this should be related to technology because it has more of robots. But let's see what it has and see if we can make use of it. So you can actually play and see what the video, which you can see actually see what it entails before you start editing it. So if it suits your needs, you can go ahead. As usual, the weather is cloud is a little bit foggy, so the internet speed is slow. It's a bit slow. So I want to see what this introductory video is all about. So see if it will suit my need for me to make use of it. So if it actually suits your need, you can see use this template, but it hasn't started playing yet. Okay, start is buffering actually. So see, I think this is something nice. Oh, okay, but this you can see this actually a template good for if you have a gaming channel. So it's a 12 seconds template. So let's make use of it without wasting much of your time. But if it depends on your needs, just like I said, you can scroll through. If you have a food YouTube channel, is preferably you use something related to food. So let us make use of this template. So I'll click on use this template. It will now take me to a video editing platform in InVideo where I can actually edit this video to suit my taste. It's loading as you can see. I can edit the video, I can exchange the text, I can also if the more reason, okay, I will tell you about the premium plan in video. It has an advantage for you to upgrade to a premium plan. You can actually use, but the premium plan gives you an added advantage because you can actually create lots of video within a month. Internet speed is a little bit slow. It's a little bit slow, so I think I'll have to pause this video for a while, so until it comes up, because I don't want to waste much of your time in this video actually. So let's pause this video. So it has actually finished loading. So once it loads, this is what you'll see. This is exactly what you'll see once it loads. So once it loads, this is exactly what you'll see. But like I said, okay, let's play and see from the scratch. Okay, it's still trying to load. Now, okay, we've watched the intro video from the beginning. As you can see, just like I said, I'm using the premium plan, and that's the more reason why you let me go to my plan for you to see. I'm using the premium plan. That's why you can see my logo. I actually designed this logo. My logo will always be there because I've placed it in my account. So in any videos, my logo will appear. So that's one reason why you can upgrade to a premium plan. And in the description of this video, I'll be placing the link. It is actually my promo code that is unique to me. And once you use that promo code to subscribe to any plan on InVideo, you have a 25% discount. So you can actually, if you're interested, actually, if you're done with the free plan, you can bookmark this video and come back to this video and use that code of mine, and for you to get 25% discounts once you want to upgrade to a premium plan. So now let's go out. So now you can pause once you see you actually pause this video. So now I can type on this text and I can put anything I want. Let's say it's a gaming channel. Okay, you can say, once you click on it, you can see the text icon at the top, or you can just double click and start typing. Let's say my gaming channel. Okay, game zone. I can just give it anything. You can edit to any text, anything that suits you actually. So game zone, you see I've edited this text, and you can also even edit this image as a whole and place an image if you don't like this image. So now let's keep playing and see what game zone. To anything that suits your taste. So once you're done editing, you can say crease, double click on it, and you can say edit. So if you can see from this left corner of the window, so you can just type crease or whatsoever crease that suits your taste, and once you're done, it will automatically turn to what you just typed in. the like just say the network, actually there's a real-time platform. It's an online tool. Yes, it's not actually software whereby you can download to your system. It's an online tool, and once the internet connection is slow, you tend to observe as slow. So once you're done editing, you can also change the video, the music to any music of your choice. From this toolbar at the top, you can click on music and choose a perfect music that suits this intro video of your choice. Also, you can actually do a voiceover, as you can see from this tab here. So if you click on voiceover, so if you actually have a pre-recorded voiceover that you've done, an audio sound, you can actually upload, import from uploads. If you've already uploaded it, you can actually, or you record the voiceover. You can see once you tap on this, it will give you a platform whereby you can record a voiceover. So most of the videos I have that I use video in editing, in my voiceover, I actually use animated text to speech. So let me show you how you can do that using InVideo. So you can choose animated text to speech, which means that you can actually type a text, and an AI voice that have already been programmed on this platform will actually interpret the text you entered to speech, and it will give you a perfect sound. Like I said, this internet speed is a little bit slow. It's trying to load. It's trying to load. So once what it happened, you have to type your text here, say welcome. Still trying to load because there's bound to be names. Let's say welcome. Welcome to my channel. It's still loading the voiceover. Matthew, select Matthew. This is how Matthew talks. So let's just use Matthew and click on generate voiceovers. My bad, because this internet connection is a little bit slow. So now let's see how Matthew says what I just sent.
Welcome to my channel.
As you can see, this is an AI voice, just like I told you. So once this is okay with you, you can just click on add to the video that you're editing. So you can see you can add whatsoever text you want, whatsoever you want to say. You can voiceover, you can use a text, automated text to speech, or you can actually record a voiceover. I don't want to use the record option because, like I said, my internet is a little bit slow. So if I use that option, this video will tend to lag. So once you've done all your necessary editing, as you can see, like I told you from the beginning, this is my logo. My brand logo has been included. Is because I actually have a premium, or I'm running a premium version of InVideo. Let's go to my account for you to see what I'm talking about. I'm actually running a premium now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm actually running a premium plan, as you can see. It's a paid plan, and that's why I have the advantage to do lots of things, to edit lots of video within a month, and also download them and use them on my YouTube channel. If you should check most of my YouTube channel, and the good thing about having a premium plan is that, for example, you can go into full business in creating intro videos for people on Fiverr, freelancers, or the likes, and it also starts creating videos from YouTube channel using automated text to speech. That's InVideo has a lots of advantage, lots of advantage. It's not only meant to create intro videos for YouTube channel, but you can do anything videos on this very platform. So I advise you to you can actually upgrade to the premium plan if you already have an account. And to do that, just like I said, to have a 25% bonus, go to the description of this video, use my promo code, and you'll be entitled to that. So having done that, you finish your editing. So the next thing, let's download this very video that we created. Like I said, you can do lots of things. You can add video, music, sound, and the likes. But now let's assume that we are done, because I don't want to waste your time watching this video. So you click on download, as you can see over here. You click on the download tab, you hit on the download. Once you're done editing the video, so it's trying to prepare the video for download. So now export. I'm actually exporting, and like I said, the good thing about premium is that you have the advantage of using the highest resolution, because if it is a free platform, you can only download using 720p. So I'm using a premium plan. I can actually download using 1080p. So now let's go and export. We actually want to download this video that we just created. So once you click on export, it start preparing the video for download just as you were seeing. You can actually do more, but I'm just trying to show you a little example because I don't want to waste your time much in this video. So now the video is actually preparing to download 2%. So like I said, or like I did the last time, let me pause this video. So once it gets to 100, we will restart. So let's go. So welcome back. So we actually finished downloading. This is what we have. As you can see here, so now let's scroll down and see. This is the video itself is still trying to load. So we'll play this video for us to see. Still trying to load due to the low internet connection speed. You see, this is game zone, like I typed earlier on. You can see the few edits I made, which you can also make lots and lots of edits, just like I told you before. You can make lots of edits from this video. So I want the video to play. It's still trying to buffer. It's buffering a little bit just due to this slow internet connection. So like I did earlier on, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let me pause this video. So once it finished buffering, we can start all over and play it. So let's go. Oh, okay, still buffering. Wow, it started playing and it started buffering again. So let me pause it for a while also. Okay, the download is now complete. So now let's play and see what it does. So game zone. This is a few. You can actually install all of the text, the sound, and this is my logo. Like I said, because I am running a premium plan, I have the advantages of including my brand logo. So now this is a video. So now the next thing, we want to download this video to our system so that we can our laptop, so that we can actually upload it to our YouTube channel. So the next thing, or what you will do, is to click on download, as you can see over here. So you click on download, and it has started downloading, as you can see from the status bar. So like I did earlier on, so let me still pause this video for a while. So once the download is complete and in my system or in my laptop, we can actually look at it. So let me pause it now. So welcome back. The download is now complete, as you can see here. So the next thing I'll do is to locate the folder where the video is. There's a video. So now let me copy it to actually cut it to the desktop so that I can easily locate it. So what we're going to do is that we are going to watch this video that I just created. We just created actually. So this is a video right here. So now let's play and see if it's the same. You can see 30 seconds video. So you can see this one of a perfect. You can see is a perfect intro video that you can use for YouTube channel if you have a gaming channel. And this is a brand, my brand logo, so you can take advantage of that, upgrading to premium. And like I said, the good thing about premium is that you can do as many video as you like in a month, depending on the premium plan that you subscribe to. But on the free plan, it has limitation and the amount of video you can actually do in a month. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and I've shown you how you can easily create an intro video for a YouTube channel using the platform InVideo. So if you like this video, you can actually give it a thumbs up, or if you're confused in any angle, you can actually go to the comment section of this video, ask your questions, and I'll attend to them speedy. Like I said, remember, get the 12 and 25% discount by going to the description of the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video to purchase a plan on InVideo. So with that, we'll come to the end of this video. Chibuzo Agua remains my name. If you've not hit the subscribe button yet, you can kindly do that, and also turn on the bell notification because I'll be releasing similar videos just like this in no distant time. So peace out. We've come to the end of this video, and see me in the next. Anticipate. Bye for now.